Welcome to the third episode of Cultural Canvas with Abir Pothi, where we dive deep into the vibrant world of Indian art and culture. Today, we are uncovering the traditional and widely popular Ragmala style of paintings. The term Ragmala literally translates to garland of ragas, reflecting both the musical and visual dimensions of these beautiful compositions. Ragmala paintings first emerged in the late 15th century, while the ragas themselves have been integral to Indian classical music since the 5th century CE. The Rajput courts of present-day Rajasthan were the most prominent patrons of these paintings, and they saw Ragmala sets as an important facet of their support for miniature painting. Within a Ragmala painting, these ragas are personified as male figures, each accompanied by consorts, raginis, daughters, and sons, all derived from the musical tradition. For instance, Ragini Bhairavi is shown as a devoted worshipper of Shiva, offering freshly picked flowers at his shrine, while Ragini Lalita is depicted as a woman asleep in her bed as her lover departs, glancing back at her. Despite their differences, both images evoke the Bhairav Raga, traditionally played in the early morning across all seasons. The relationship between the Raga and Ragini in Ragmala paintings provides a rich ground for exploring themes of romantic, erotic, and devotional love. The 16th century saw an increased patronage of manuscript painting across the Indian subcontinent, coinciding with the rise of the Bhakti movement. This movement blurred the lines between love and divine devotion, which became nearly interchangeable in Rajput painting. Beyond the Rajput courts, Ragmala paintings also flourished in the Deccan courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur during the late 16th century, a period of generous patronage for illustrated manuscripts in the region. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned to Abir Pothi for more explorations into the rich heritage of Indian art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.